put a picture onto your school website. The first thing that you want to make sure that you're going to do is make sure you have a picture. I like to find a picture and put it on my desktop, and I just put this picture on my desktop. The next thing that you want to make sure is that your picture is not bigger than 4 megabytes. So on a Mac, I'm just going to click on this picture and I'm going to go Command I, and that'll give me information. And right here it says that it's 1.5 megabytes. If you're on a PC, you'll just right click on the picture, go to Properties, and it will tell you the same information. So now I have my picture, I know where it's located. Now I'm going to go to the website. So I'm going to click on my website browser. If you're on a PC, it'll probably be Internet Explorer or Chrome. Then you're going to go to the Gunnison website, and you'll go to www.gunnisonschools.net/admin. Log into your site. Once you're there, to get to your page, you're going to go to Page Menu. If you're in the elementary school or Lake, you'll go to that school. You'll go to Schools and find the school, links to teacher web pages, and then you'll have them there. The same thing with Lake, links to teacher web pages. If you're in the middle school or the high school, you'll come down here to Teacher Pages. I'm going to go to Gunnison Middle School since that's where my page is. Mouse over your name and go to Edit Published Content. Now when you add a picture, if you've already have things on your website, you'll want to add another section. If you change this section to put a picture in there, all of your text will be gone. So I'm going to add a section above this section. I could also have added it below. Now this section here that I'm adding, it says text only with the layout. I'm going to put my picture on the left side of the screen. And you'll see down here there's now a little box that says Insert Image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Insert Image. I've got a couple of pictures that I've already uploaded, but we'll upload one right now as well so you can see how you can do the process. So right up here it says Upload. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to select my picture. Since I know that I saved it on the desktop, and I'm going to close this folder so I can find it easier. This is my picture that I saved. I'm going to choose that one, and then I'm going to come down here and click Upload. And it takes a few minutes for that to happen. And you'll see here it says that the maximum file size allowed is 4 megabytes, and it'll only take JPEGs or GIFs and things like that. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to go here to this image editor and I want to go to Properties, because this is going to be way too big. If I put this on my page, it'll take up a huge amount of space. You'll have to scroll over to see the whole thing. I'm going to just make this 100, and it will automatically change the height when I change the width. If you want to make it a little bit bigger than that, you can. I would play around with the size. Whoops, I don't want to make it that big. You could play around a little bit with the size. And then I'm going to click and say Insert. And it says I didn't set the alternate text, and so that's all right. So I'm going to not worry about that. So you can see that my image is in there. Now the next thing that you have to do is you have to say Save. But I'm going to say Save and Preview because I want to see what this picture looks like. And so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to view it. And there it is. There's my picture. Now there is this bar that comes over here. There's no way to get rid of that. So just know that we have no a way to get rid of that bar. But my picture is now there. If I want to delete that, I can go back here, go back to my page. I can delete my section. Let's just delete this section. And let's just say I want to add it down below. So I'm going to go ahead again. Remember, I'm going to change it. This time I'll put it on the right-hand side. And since I've already uploaded that picture, my picture will already be there. I'm going to click on that. Again, I have to go back to properties because otherwise it's just going to be way too big. So let's make it 200 this time and just see how that works. My alternate text, I'll put TTFC, and I'll just click Insert. And again, I'm going to save and preview. And there's my picture. Oh, now there it is on the bottom. So that's how you put your pictures in. And again, don't forget to sign out of your page. Okay.